Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I wasn't going to show this, but I was waiting for the other video to load, and I thought this is a little bit different scenario when you're trying to make a hairline or cut line around this object. This is a fill, so it's got reverse engraving. Basically, we're going to just show you it's completely transparent. So there's a few steps you need to think about when you're making something like this. First of all, this item is about 2.5 inches across, so we're going to change our nudge distance to 3. I'm going to make a duplicate of this, Control D, and I'm going to move that duplicate. Evidently I didn't make a good duplicate. Let's back up here. Control D. There we go. Now here's the, and it jumped a little bit. Here's the trick. Take this and left click, right click to get a hairline. To contour it, I'm going to contour to basically 1.25 to the outside. Control K, break that contour apart, get this line and move it down, and then just delete this other part. Right arrow, up arrow, and now you've got that scenario. It's a little bit off right here. I'm going to have to fix this one node and take out a few nodes and make it a better looking. Basically what I'm going to do is select both those and right click and convert them to a line, and then move this one down just a hair. And I'm not going to take the well, I had them both selected, so unselect and then bring that one down just a hair, and you could play around with that. What I like to do is also change your nudge distance to 0.001, then take your shape tool, click on that node and just nudge him up, because your hand movement on the mouse really can't do that. And then I would suggest removing some of these other nodes that aren't really necessary. In a laser, they're not going to really cause you a problem, but they don't need to be there. They're not going to change the shape. We might have changed the shape a little bit there, so we'll put it back. We've got something going on funny there, but it ought to work. Well, they're basically right there. There's like a little niche, little knot. Now I also made the name tag larger. And there's several ways to do that. I'm going to click on my logo and move it, change my nudge factor back to 3, and nudge that up. Grab your shape tool and grab all these nodes, and then you could take the control button and just move this down. That way you basically still have that same shape. Move your item back in with the arrow key, and now you've got a little room to write your text. But it looks good. It continues the shape of their logo, and I think that'll work. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.